You guys ready?
I'm ready.
We're getting hyped up on Mountain Dew.
Stop working on my bike.
My brain is itching. I'm gonna send you home in a minute. You know where I'm gonna put this bag?
Where?
On your face.
You just have to get your dirty little paws on my build.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
My little piggies. Disclaimer, we're just having fun. We are not professionals. If you aren't here to enjoy, this channel may not be for you. Are you guys ready to have your eardrums blown to pieces? I'm so excited to show you guys what we went with. Today's the day we finished up this exhaust. So come on.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Come on. Okay, let's do this.
Careful.
Don't you tell me careful anymore with this build. Yes!
So awesome.
How awesome is that? I'm so excited. Sorry for my fishtail people. I love fishies.
They're like fishtails, but
they're kind of like fishies, yeah. But I had to do something different. And these are by Deadbeat Customs Cycles, and they just they look great. They even have the
there's a couple different tip options that you can go with. We chose
there's a few.
The original one. Those are the 37-inch. They come in like 4 different sizes.
Yeah.
Since we don't have stretch bags or anything, we decided to stick with the 37.
Yeah, and they still stick out really, really good amount. Like
how do you know?
Because
yeah,
I came down here in the middle of the night and I checked it out. I couldn't help myself. I had to.
I believe they have an option for a baffle. Of course, we said no, no, no. We want the loudest that we can do.
You can do. You guys see that? You see that right there? You know what that's called? It's called laying down.
Beautiful. Their pipes are really like a work of art.
They are. So one thing we do have to do is we do have to take these bolts out, Loctite them, and get them back on.
Yep.
So we'll do that first, and then we'll get this bad boy on.
Eric took over my job.
Just trying to prevent you from getting Loctite on yourself.
Nope. You just can't help yourself now, can you?
I'm more excited about these than you are.
No, you're not. You just have to get your dirty little paws on my build.
I'm looking to scratch something today.
Yeah, exactly.
We'll leave it on the lift to get the pipes all adjusted and get them put on, and then we're gonna pull it outside, and we'll do with our decibel meter, probably all wrong.
It's okay. We'll do it the same way we did the other one.
We're gonna do it anyway.
Yeah.
You know where I'm gonna put this bag?
Where?
On your face.
That's no place for a bag.
Huh?
That's no place for a bag. No.
Alright, so obviously it would make sense on why we didn't put our heat shields on yet.
Yeah.
I know there was a couple of comments that said, why aren't the heat shields on? But obviously we wanted to get everything together first, and then we'll get those on.
To make our adjustments,
yeah,
you know?
adjustments.
So make sure when you order it, you guys order the right hardware. If you have a Softail, you have to order Softail hardware. If you have a touring bike or a bagger, you have to order the bagger hardware. Look at you wrenching away. Oh, we're getting close. Look at these things.
So
it's so cool. These are going to be the old ankle breakers 2000s.
What you're going to do? And what?
Oh God, I know.
How many times do you think I'm going to trick myself on this like a trailer hitch?
Oh yeah. Bolty bolt.
All right.
Peasant.
Here you go.
Danka.
Hey, bud. Hi. What do you got?
Solo cup rating.
Solo cup rating. Well, it's 12:30 in the middle of the day. So
we're getting hyped up on Mountain Dew. No, it's actually Red Bull.
Red Bull today. Yeah. We're all cranked up right now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna come at you like a spider monkey.
I'm surprised I'm not flying away yet.
Any excuse to use the course route.
Stop working on my bike.
I'm just
off.
I'm just helping you with the front bolt that's hard, the front nut that's hard. I'm sorry, it's stud, whatever.
The front nut's hard.
Yeah. That might be a problem. Alright, so these are all, that one's tightened down. We get the heat shield on now. We have our adjustments made, right, Tanya?
Yes.
So I stopped what I'm doing again to raise the lift for the queen here. You remember this from 2 years ago when we did your night trains.
Yeah. Boom, baby.
You're in, look at that. Boom, baby.
Boom, baby.
Boom, baby.
And we're gonna clean all of our greasy paw prints off of these pipes before we start it. I got rid of the black attachment on the front of the lift and using this style now, so when we go to change out the wheel and the front suspension, it'll be much easier. This is just a Harbor Freight attachment that I put on a Titan lift, so it really... One heat shield is on.
You forgot about the little guy in here.
The little guy?
Yeah, the little guy.
He has feelings too. We got that one on. That looked like it was gonna be a nightmare, so we took care of that. What are you going around it for?
I don't know what I'm going around it for.
Just trying to scratch it. Look on the inside.
Ah, salmon skin roll.
Why would this not already be done?
They wanted to watch you struggle. Watch out for the chrome.
I'm gonna send you home in a minute. Tell me one more time.
I'm going upstairs.
Go in. Go in your home.
Are you too good for your home? Answer me!
What's the problem here?
All right, it's very tight. It's very tight in there. Badoosh. So kind of
You're
like.
gonna start from the bottom, work your way up.
That's what she said.
This one.
I'm just guiding. That's all I'm doing. I swear I'm guiding. Just a quick break from the video. Discover the brilliance of Eagle lights. Elevate your ride with their advanced LED lighting solutions. Brighter, safer, and more stylish than ever. And here's the bonus. Use our code VP_customs for an exclusive 15% off your purchase. Illuminate your journey with Eagle lights today. You know how many times I've grabbed my fingers in one of these
I know,
hose
I'm
clamps
terrified to do that right now.
It rips it right in there. It takes it right in for a ride.
I'm scared.
Just hold the actual hose clamp. There you go. Don't be scared, girl.
It's scary. I don't want to lose a finger.
Just a nail. Don't worry. Dwight?
So wait.
Don't be
so
scared. Don't be scared.
I know, my little piggies.
They're gonna go. They're gonna go. They're gonna go.
I got it too.
You got it?
It was my nail though.
Oh, it's so... Last thing we'll do is just wipe these things down and get the bags on. We gotta put our floorboard back up on this side.
Oh yeah, because...
That's a mess. Hate that. And then we'll get this baby down. We don't have any more Red Bull.
It's not. I
We
don't,
don't have any more Red Bull. You're gonna have to drink.
How? We had a 6-pack in there. We had an 8-pack.
It was a 4-pack.
We had 2 4-packs.
Ooh. I like them with vodka. What do you want me to tell you?
While Eric's working on the floorboard, I'm going to clean off our dirty paw prints with our 1903 spray wax. So shiny! Shiny! Stuff smells so good.
That is.
That is nice.
Look at the smile on her.
I love it!
You are now in the presence of a king. Now in the presence of a...
Okay, I can't wait any longer.
Alright.
Let's fire this thing up. Run, Jace! Run, Jace!
Are you guys ready?
I'm ready. Alright, so we let her warm up. And now it's time to start it up and give it some revs. Let's hear this baby. You notice before we even started, it was running rich. It needs to be tuned, obviously. It has fully straight pipes, I know, no baffles, so.
Yes, exactly.
Oh.
127.9. What was our loudest?
I think we were 130 was the road glide.
129. Was it?
Yeah, and your night train was 129. 128.9.
So that's 129. Huh.
I was wrong. I'm sorry, but it's loud and it sounds.
It's loud. It rang my ears the way road glide rings my ears.
It sounds amazing.
My brain is itching. Question of the day. We are getting a custom derby cover. I have an idea of what I want, but I want to hear from you guys what you would put on your bike or what you think I should have custom made. Comment down below. Let us know what you think the derby cover should say.
He's really digging these pipes. Look at him. Look at him.
What do you guys think? It is the
Ma!
Yes, baby. Oh yeah.
That's so awesome.
Isn't it the best thing ever? Looks and ears.
Yes.
It just
Does it? It checks all the boxes.
It does.
Steady Custom
So
Cycles.
excited.
You amazed us with this one.
Yes, you amaze me. Definitely. It sounds amazing. I'm so happy with our purchase. This was perfect for this bike. Obviously, you guys can tell the direction we're going in.
Oh yeah.
And maybe next week we'll get to the third point of human contact that every bike has.
Yeah, we gotta ditch those babies. They're gone.
As always,
Thanks for watching.
stay tuned for the next one.